Hello everyone. So I'm actually just looking for a few extra birthday supplies. I already have a bit of a stash, but I always like to add something. And there is a banner here that I've been eyeing for a while with the gold foiling. Most of these pieces are all new. Look how cute this is with the little beads, the wood beads in between and along the top. This sign here is actually tricky to the eye. It looks like it's 3D, but it's flat. This time of year, Dollar Tree does tend to get some new, I would say, like planners and calendars. This one I have not, well, this style here I have not seen anywhere else. These ones I think we typically see over the years, kind of like that traditional style with the quotes and stuff. I haven't seen what these look like. I've seen them at a couple Dollar Trees now. I just don't know. I'm not sure what they look like. Is it just a monthly calendar inside? They have different front covers, but I just don't know what the inside looks like. I haven't seen these either. I wish that they were without lines, just the blank space. These Pringle containers are actually selling really fast at all the Dollar Trees, so sometimes you won't even find any, maybe one or two on the shelf, and they have quite a good selection and variety of them. Have you or are you thinking of doing some purging, organizing for this new year? January tends to be a refresh sometimes, I'm not sure, but it's kind of nice to let go of some of the things and make room or empty room or space. Here's an end cap with some different, I guess, signs. These are blank, which is great for DIYs. And I feel like some of them are new, right? These are felt rolls. What are you using them for? There's quite a bit in here. So down the food aisle, has anyone tried this? This is powdered cream, I guess, for your coffee or tea. Is it any good? I've never tried powdered cream. Maybe I have, but like at a hotel, and I usually miss my cream or milk. This is supposed to be good. I think you can make coffee martinis or things like that with the Mr. Brown. My son loves these. They come in a bag, and so there's quite a bit of them in here. Have you seen the full apricots, not the diced up ones, here at Dollar Tree? These are pretty good value. There's 10 packs in here, and they're not too sugary, so I think it's a pretty good snack. Looks like there's a transition of sorts happening here, but check this out. This caught my eye at another Dollar Tree. They had a couple little tops like this. So cute, even for lounging around the house. It almost looks like it's a 3/4 sleeve. Isn't it cute? And here's a heathered blue long sleeve. Really nice thin material. Great for layering. I don't know the brand. There are some socks here that I haven't seen before. They actually look nice, like good quality. Oh, this brand I have seen, and I know that this is pricier. See? So you're saving yourself quite a bit of money on these socks. Lots of brand name socks here actually today. Some packs come with 2, and then this one here has 2 as well. Some are patterned, some are just plain. I'm surprised because sometimes we don't have this selection. I'm not sure where to go. Has anyone tried these? Is this a brand name? I've never seen it other than here at Dollar Tree. This here I know is it smells nice. It's like $15 online if you were to purchase it from another retailer. By the way, I wanted to share with you that sometimes they have some really nice face cloths. And so just to be mindful here, you'll see the quality. See, sometimes they're a bit stringy, and other times they're really nice. I'll just share here. See how this one's kind of more transparent, I guess, or like stringy, and this one's more solid. Just be mindful when you're picking out your washcloths. These are great for cleaning the house as well. And they have new facial scrubbers. I spotted a whole bunch of Indeed. Oh, I haven't seen this is made by Be Pure. Do these move around? It doesn't look like it. Indeed product, which is carried at like Ulta and Shoppers. And they had a whole bunch at a different Dollar Tree. These are great as well for the craft room. I feel like these body sprays are kind of a newer find at Dollar Tree, so I've spotted them now in a couple different colors, I guess in scents, of course. If anyone's tried them and has any feedback, maybe it can let us know. I've also seen this polish. It's clear. There's a pink and a clear. Oh, and the Ione. Look at this display. It's so cute. It's all like the dessert cafe. So they have different names. This one's banana. Look how cute. And this Dollar Tree has so many different types of Ione products. So you have blush here. They have like glitter eyeshadow. Just a whole bunch of different things. I'm going to go down the toiletry section and see if there's anything new. This is a body wash, and I've heard that it's sold at Walmart, and it's definitely not the price you're seeing here. Because the Valentine's Day decor is coming out, I see little things like this throughout the store that are more heart-themed, and like even little scrunchy with hearts. So just for my crafts, I like the colors of these hearts. I think I can deconstruct the pins. This one maybe not. It looks like it's all attached. And they have the gemmed. Oh, this is the goodie line. These are cuticle oils. Has anyone tried them, and do you like them? Do they work nice? Do they have a nice smell? There's a variety of them here. So they have the dessert line of eyelashes, and then they have the traditional ones that you see like this with the butterflies. Does anyone know which ones are better from the Ione eyelash line? These are back. They were out a couple years ago, then kind of disappeared. The cosmetic clear bags. Pretty popular for concerts and stuff, I think. Or even for traveling. This looks like a new mascara. And there's Ione mascara as well. So if anyone has tried that, maybe let us know if it works well. Is it clumpy? Is it nice? Does it apply smoothly? I haven't seen these in a while. There's 3 in a pack. I purchased them for my daughter. Lots of different nails here. This looks so much like this. Is it Sally Hansen cuticle stuff? Or nail strengthener? These are fun. Little glitter. There's a really nice selection. Not all Dollar Trees are this well stocked. Even nail polishes, the trio packs here, just really good. And then just continuing on, there's, I guess, personal care items here, and then the toothbrushes and toothpaste, which is pretty standard. This is my favorite aisle. I know you guys probably get tired every time I come down the craft section, but I always have to check out. Anytime I come to a Dollar Tree, this is one aisle I never miss coming down. Is there an aisle that you never miss going down, or an aisle that you go straight to? I'm always curious. Like, we all have our patterns and behaviors, right? These are great because they're already pre-cut for if you have like stamps, they fit really nicely through the stamp. And how beautiful are some of these gems? Have we seen this purple before? I don't think we have. I'm usually seeing the blue and the pink. And lots of wood. If you want to paint or stain, they have these gorgeous big pieces. If you want to customize a little sign, you can DIY something like this. They do have a little bit of a larger one, but it doesn't have a border. I forgot about it. So if you want to make a personal sign or a menu, they're both cute though. And then the wood, lots of small pieces, beads, just so many things here to do if you want to craft. I'll go down the stationery aisle quickly as well. Just a quick overlook because to be honest, didn't really see anything that stood out to me as I was coming down the aisle, but I'll share with you. I did purchase these. I haven't tried them, but they have Post-its as well. Lots of stickers. I've been finding new stickers lately, so I want to just make sure I'm not missing anything. These are rub-on transfers, not sticker. Oh, no, these are stickers. So there's a combination here. They have some rub-ons here. And these are new, like a gold foiling. These are so cute. I spotted them at the other Dollar Tree, and I almost purchased them. They have some really fun stickers. It looks like they have a variety of dinosaurs as well. Cute for making birthday cards. I think that these are new kits. Color Fun. I haven't seen these before. And these I've seen at other places for way more. I don't know what they are, but they're definitely not Dollar Tree pricing, that's for sure. So they have all the floral. These are all new. Fuzzy little things. Lots of greenery. These are so pretty. I found some other ones that were like almost plushy feeling. They're not here. I was just headed to the checkout and then spotted this from afar. This is made by Eye Candy. It looks like a little beanie, And they also have some other fun hair accessories here. Like how pretty is the bow is really cute for even packaging stuff. I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollar Tree with me today. I just want to say thank you so very much for allowing me to share with you. And until next time, everyone, bye for now. The memories, they all twist and turn. I bang my head against the wall. Yeah, somehow I just never